Fourth class science, solids, liquids, gases lesson, question and answers. Solid, liquid, gases lesson, question and answers. Okay, first question, what is matter made up of? What is matter made up of? It is the first question. Solids, liquids, gases lesson la first question, what is matter made up of? Okay, answer all the matter in the world, all matter in the world is made up of, all matter in the world is made up of molecules. How to made up of matter? All matter in the world, total world matter is made up of molecules. Matter ella dento made up avutundi? Molecules. Okay, matter made up of molecules. All matter in the world is made up of molecules. Okay, second question, what are molecules? What is the second question? What are molecules? What are molecules? Answer, what are molecules? Molecules are the smallest substances in matter. What are the molecules? Molecules are the smallest substances in matter that can exist independently. Once again I repeat you total question and answer. What are molecules? Molecules are the smallest substances. In matter. Matter lo smallest substance anamata, ante small ga unde, so very small molecules. Okay, smallest substances in matter that can exist independently ga exist avutundi. Okay, molecules are the smallest substances in matter that can exist independently. What is the first question? What is matter made up of? All matter in the world is made up of molecules. Matter made up of molecules. Second question, what are molecules? Next, third question, name a solid. Third question, name a solid. That turns to liquid. that turns, name a solid that turns to liquid when taken in taken out from the refrigerator, It is the third question. What is the third question? Once again I repeat you. Third question. Name a solid that turns into liquid. Solid ela change avutundi liquid ga. That turns into a liquid when taken out from the refrigerator. Solid and a solid thing liquid ga మారుతుంది when taken out from the refrigerator నుంచి ఆ సాలిడ్ ని తీస్తే అది లిక్విడ్ రూపంలో మారుతుంది. Which thing is changed to solid to liquid? Answer is ice. In refrigerator it's a ice cube. This solid ice cube taken out from the refrigerator, it turns into water. Okay, ice that turns into liquid, turns into water when taken out from the refrigerator. It is a third question. Okay, third question answer what? Ice. Fourth question. Name a liquid that you drink often. Answer is milk. You drink milk, it is a often it converted into liquid. Milk is a liquid. Name a liquid that you drink often. Milk is a liquid. Water, milk, these are the liquids. Okay, fifth question. Name a gas. Fifth question. Name a gas that you use for breathing. Name a gas that you use for breathing. We can use for breathing. What we use? Oxygen. It is a fifth question. Fourth question. Name a liquid that you drink often. Answer is milk. Fifth question. Name a gas that you use for breathing. Answer is oxygen. Okay, these are the 5 question and answers. Read and write. Fifth lesson, question and answers in your notebook, and learn question and answers also. Okay, read and write fifth lesson question and answers, and learn spellings, children. Okay, thank you.